On my recent mommy-daughter trip to London, we stayed at citizenM, and in this video, I'm going to give you a full tour and share my honest review of this unique property. I'm going to cover my room, common areas, amenities, staff, food, and more. If you're wondering if this is the right hotel for you, I'm going to share everything you need to make a decision. What's up everyone? If you're new around here, I'm Latoya and welcome to my channel. The first thing you'll notice is the modern and sleek aesthetic. The bold colors, beautiful artwork, and comfy furniture make this common space, or as they call it, a living room, so inviting. You just want to sit and relax, and we actually did. All of the staff we encountered, whether here at the bar or at check-in, and even the cook, were truly wonderful and went out of their way on several occasions to elevate our stay. The hotel offers a simple daily buffet breakfast for £20. I found this pricey, but I did like that kids eat for free, and there are unlimited drinks, including espresso-based ones included. It's an interesting vibe here since this common area or living room also serves as a co-work space, so you do see people on their laptops, and I spotted a couple of private meeting rooms. It was never crowded though, and I would love to work from here. It's beautiful, energetic, with plenty of tasty caffeine options. After having a look, I was surprised at how affordable the co-work membership is at $120 a year. For the record, that was the only time I said that anything was affordable while visiting London. I loved this patio atrium in the middle of the hotel. My daughter and I sat out there a couple of times to just decompress after a long day of exploring. I rarely saw anyone out here. Now let's take a look at my room. All rooms in the hotel are the exact same size and layout. It's one of the ways that the hotel keeps its costs down. The only difference between the rooms is the view, and you can select that at check-in. Welcome to my room. As you can see, it's quite compact, but it's functional. Let's look around. First thing up is the front closet, where we have space for jackets, shoes, and you have the safe down below. On the other side, we have a full-length mirror, an essential that is missing from some hotels. The sink sits out here, and down below is the fridge. The fridge is empty, but it was handy for storing snacks that we picked up throughout our stay. There are 2 seats, and I like this little desk that I actually used a couple of times. Under the bed is a huge drawer if you're one of those people that likes to unpack your clothes or even put your suitcase away. This hotel is tech forward. Every room has an iPad that controls the room. It controls the lighting in the room. Initially, I thought this was a bit gimmicky, but it grew on me, and by the end, I was wondering if I should install something like this at home. It also controls the blackout blinds, day curtains, room temperature, and an assortment of other options like housekeeping preferences. The TV offers some basic and not so entertaining options. Luckily, you can stream from your own Netflix, Prime, or Disney Plus accounts by connecting your phone, tablet, or laptop. The bathroom is small as you would expect, but very clean and again functional. The rain shower head plus handheld option was great. The toiletries were of decent quality. I really enjoyed the messaging throughout the hotel, including on these bottles. Speaking of functionality, there were electrical plugs throughout the room, so you never have to think twice about charging your devices regardless of how many you have. I love that the canteen is open 24/7 and you can place food orders right from your iPad or the hotel app. We took advantage of this on a couple of late nights. Check-in and check-out were a breeze and can be done right on these iPads in the reception. The Southwark Bankside location was perfect. We were near the Tube and a short walk from notable sites such as London Bridge, the Tate Modern, and Shakespeare's Globe, and so much more. There are also so many restaurants and convenience stores nearby. I was a bit skeptical about whether this would work for me and my daughter, and I'm happy to say that it was just right. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.